Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to today's Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. And that's the bottom line because Ramu said so. It's Diamond Show. It's my show. Good morning, my unbelievable, magical Viva family members. Welcome to today's Diamond Show, episode 4, live from Vijayawada Airport. Right now, I am in Vijayawada Airport. Enjoy the view. So this is an initiative by me to just share my experience and my views. There is nothing to do with anyone. And if you just like any content or anything which I mention in this video or any of our Diamond Show, you just can discuss with your immediate upline leaders, and after that you can make a decision. So just I want to tell sorry to each and everyone because as per I mentioned 11 o'clock, but I am in a hurry now. Just I want to catch my flight to Bangalore. Today is a special day, especially today is our red carpet welcome in our Viva Tower. So I am really very, very excited to just know this special day. I'm waiting for this special day. It's really say in a lot of my videos I mentioned that, and a lot of my posts also I mentioned that we are the number one company on the planet, and once again our company is proving that we are the number one, because there is no other company which give this privilege for an executive diamond. This is a great privilege, while we watching an Oscar, Academy Awards, there will be a red carpet welcome for the so all the people who are attending it. Today it is more special. Today it is very special to in our company, one direct selling company, network marketing company is doing a red carpet welcome. It's like a dream coming true. We're watching all those red carpet welcomes. We used to dream to be a part of that, but in other industries it is not easy. But here, our company giving a great privilege for us to watch, to welcome us as an executive. So it's a great initiative. This I want to share my journey today because it's a special day, and my journey is also like your journey. I started this business, but before starting the business, I rejected this business, and I told my sponsor that it won't work for me and it won't work for you also. My sponsor, our great leader, Mr. Sujit Khan sir, he also will tell in his story that so many people rejected me in initial stage. I am one among that the first people who rejected him. I told him it won't work in Tamil Nadu, in Coimbatore. I am among one of those people. But he continued, and after his growth and his success and how the company planned and how they executed, after watching all these things from outside, so finally I took decision to start Indus Viva business, and my journey started. But that is a moment which changed my entire life, because in my life I am not a successful person. I am not success in anything. Whichever things I touched, they just some people are there like our great black diamonds. Whoever they touch, they will become diamonds. But in my life, whatever I touch, it will turn into dust. That is my experience. So I started my earnings at the age of 13. From the age of 13, I started earning money part time. But whatever field I go, I tried so many things. But whatever field I go, everything which I touched, it turned into dust. So I have a very low belief when I starting industry work, because after my experience, I just thought even this will become a dust, because whatever I touched, it turned into dust. So I touched industry work, so it will become dust. That is my confidence when I started industry work, and I never believed that I will become an executive diamond. No, I just started because I want money, and I am in very urgent to earn money, because of my situations. Because of that, I started, and executive diamond is like a uh, beyond beyond everything. When I started business, I never believed that I will become an executive diamond. In the initial stages, I never thought that I will become an executive diamond, but just started. And from there, I started my journey. Before I became an executive diamond or something special in this company, the company saw something special in me. That is one thing I just want to mention, because they give me so many chances to prove myself, because they saw that I can become something special. My sponsor thought I can become something special, and along the journey I met amazing people, great people, just like our the Black Diamond ambassadors, especially the one person who impacted my journey, our great leader, Mr. Raghupati Nageshwar sir. I met him, and just he injected some speed to me, and like that, our one more Black Diamond ambassador, Mr. Archit Ramesh. No, he is always 3,000 kilometer away from me, but still he used to inspire me by calling and everything. He used to inspire me. All these people saw that I can become special, but I never thought I will become a special. That is my initial 1 year, because the first year is my most toughest year, and the first year is like I am a star 250. 1 year being a star 250, it is not easy, and today I can say it, but it's not easy. Being a 1 year star 250, so many things came across. Today, if people they if they are not advancing rank within 4 weeks, 5 weeks, they are frustrated, they are everything. But even I also frustrated, but these wonderful people, these great people showed me a vision, that I can become something special. But still, I didn't believe in 2016 that I will become a special. But these people, my leaders, our Black Diamonds, they believed that I can become something special. Our company believed I can become something special. Then the second year, it is great, because 1 year, after 1 year, 52nd week, I became a star 500 in our company. From there, the takeoff has taken, and my 54th week I became a ruby, 64th I completed my pearl, 74th week I completed my emerald, and in my 84th week, I touched my first 1 lakh rupees in a week income. Then 96th week I finished the first 2.5 lakhs, and after that it is a history. So just want to tell you my journey, why I am sharing my journey, because yeah, it's same like you. I faced so many rejections, I faced so many insults, I faced so many things. If I can come across all these things and become a diamond, and today going to our Viva Tower for a red carpet welcome, my dear partners, each and every one of you also can become an executive diamond. You are just on the way. uh, uh, just you are crossing the you are in the process of becoming an executive diamond. Whatever challenge you are facing, it is to make you an executive diamond. I today when I look back, I just see all those challenges made me tough, made me what I am today, made me an executive diamond, and just going ahead. So in this diamond show, I want to just share you one message, that if I can come across all these challenges, all these insults, all these rejections, and all these gossips, everything, if I can come across all these things and become an executive diamond, you all can go through the same process and you also can become an executive diamond. And will be waiting for to listen your story on your red carpet welcome day. You just take one live video, you just post it in your Facebook profile. I will be waiting to watch that, and my best wishes for you. Yes, you are on the way to become an executive diamond, and our company is waiting with a beautiful red carpet to welcome you all. So all the best. So see you in the next diamond show next week. Today is a special day, so I'm going to enjoy it. I think all of you can share my happiness, and let's celebrate today, and see you next week, Friday, diamond show. Thank you, partners.
And that's the bottom line, because Ramu said so.